How to change your age on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to change your age on Discord mobile. So let's begin. Before we proceed, do take note that you cannot change the age on Discord using the mobile app. So what I will be teaching you is that we will be using the web browser such as Safari or Chrome. So go ahead on your web browser and then type in Discord and then support. So wait for it to load, and then once it is done loading, you should choose the very first option, which is this one, the Discord support. So click on it, and then click on the three lines found on the upper right here. So it doesn't need for you to be signed in, so you may just proceed right here and click on submit a request, and then wait for it to load. Under the what can we help you with option, you just simply choose trust and safety, and then you should type in your email address right here. You should make sure that this email address is connected to your Discord account. And then type in your email address, and then under how can we help, choose appeals, age update, and other questions. So click on it, and then click on the appeals, age, update, or other questions once again, and click on update my age information. And then you may type in your phone number, but it is just optional. And then you may um, type in your updated birth date right here, and then make sure to confirm the box right here by clicking on the text box right here. Type in the subject, which is I want to change my update, or I want to update my age, and then type in the description, and then you may add attachments such as your birth certificate or other supporting documents that supports that your age is accurate. So click on submit once you are done, and then that's it. That's how you can change your age on Discord mobile. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.